Hi everybody, it's Josh from Landscape Plus, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about how we install our irrigation timers in really small spaces. So it's actually a question we get a lot from customers, and I see it all the time where you're really restricted on space. There's not much room around where the actual tap has been installed. And unfortunately on some older projects, you find that nowadays they tend to be installed with a bit more space around them. But we do have a product for that, and not many people have heard of it, but we actually call it the control pack, which comes with a Kleber timer, all the other bits, battery, but it comes with this really handy section down here, which is what we're going to focus on for this video. So essentially what we're looking at is a small section of flexible pipe in between the actual controller itself. And then they do also come with these inline filters as well, which are really great for maintenance, and I'll touch on that a little bit in a minute. But essentially what we're trying to achieve here is to give you the flexibility to not have to necessarily have all of the pipework coming directly off the bottom of the timer and down, but you can actually install these filters off to the side or above where the timer actually is situated, giving you the ability to sort of move things around and have a bit more flexibility. Because what we'll find is a lot of the time people won't have the space to come directly off onto your pipework below and then off to wherever the irrigation is, especially if you've only got sort of 200-300 mil to play with below where the tap is. So that's what these do. They're handy in the sense that you don't have to thread them on and off. They come with snap-on connectors, so it's really easy to actually to unconnect if you need to and move things around. So you can just snap these on, and that's the same on the filter side as well. They've got these handy snap-on connectors. From a maintenance perspective, again, filters are something that we talk about quite a lot, but not everybody puts them onto the system, and that's absolutely fine. But these come with these really handy filters, which you can just take out, clean out the filter, pop back in, especially when you're doing your sort of maintenance contracts at the end of the year, and pop those back on. But again, really easy to access, easy to move around, and gives you a bit more flexibility below where the actual tap is situated. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions about the products that we've spoken about today, please feel free to give us a call in the office. We're always more than happy to help.